This tutorial concerns the use of the Credit Hold Release Program GB5900. Wherever orders are created in the system, a credit check is done by the system to determine whether or not to place an order on credit hold. For the majority of users, orders are created through the order entry program OE2100. We'll go into this screen and query upon an order that is on credit hold, order 2165. Query upon this order. We can see that the hold button is highlighted on the screen, indicating that the order is on hold. So if we click on this hold button, we can see that the order is solely on a credit hold. If the order was on hold for any other hold reasons, if any of these other buttons were highlighted, then we would know that we'd have to use the order hold maintenance screen OE9750 to release these other various holds. But in this case, we're speaking here totally about the credit hold release program. If we go into the Bill To information pop-up box, we can see that this customer's credit limit is $5,000. There's a current order balance of $21,405.23 and outstanding invoices of $1,110. To do the credit check, the system takes a look at the value of the order entered, plus the outstanding orders in the system, plus the value of the unpaid invoices in the system, adds them together and compares them against the credit limit. If it's over the credit limit, then the order will go on hold. We'll now exit this screen and go into the actual credit hold release program. Now we can query upon our order 2165, execute query, and we can see various information on this screen regarding the order itself, the type of order, the status of the order, order date, ship to, the bill to, the warehouse purchase order number, the terms for this particular customer, the last order date, which in this case happens to be today's date, the date that we entered the order, and the various information that we saw in the OE2100 Bill To pop-up box concerning the order invoices and various other information you can use to make a decision whether or not to release the order from credit hold. Here we have the actual order amount and the credit limit. And then at the bottom of the screen we have the various aging buckets, again used to assist the user or credit manager to decide whether or not to take the order off of credit hold. So in this case, if we wish to take it off credit hold, we press the release button. The order has been released, and then we save using the save button. Now this order is no longer on release, no longer on hold. So if we go back into the order entry program, query upon order 2165 and execute query, we can see that the hold button is no longer highlighted, indicating that the order is not on hold. This concludes the tutorial on using the Credit Hold Release Program GB5900.